Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are coming to you from Times Square of all places. It's our last day here and Peter and I are going to do one of the Bec looking like she's naked, but I'm actually not naked as you can see, but the way that will pose me up, we did the one in LA and everyone was like, wow, how is she so brave to be naked on Hollywood Boulevard, but it's all an illusion and we're little tricksters, so we'll show you guys the tricks and we'll...
Cool.
Cool. Oh, Peter's here by the way.
So I'm just going to be using the Sony. I've got a little 35mm on, and I'm just going to be videoing on top of the camera as well, so you can see the sort of the angle that I'm getting with this. We're just going to set up fairly close. I've set my exposure based on a safety net because I know I'm going to have to do a little bit of dodging and burning just to get Bec to pop up a little bit. But we're just going to see how long we can do this without people pestering us. So off we go, I think.
Yeah.
Cool. So, awesome, give me that. I'll set that round. Do you want the shirt rolled up behind you, or?
Pardon? Maybe, yeah.
If I see it too much, I'm just going to yell, throw it at me.
Okay.
Okay?
Well, maybe I'll just throw it over there to you.
Alright. Alright, so. A bit further back. Alright, so all I'm doing to start with is just setting up my shots. I'm pretty much... That's sort of pretty cool, I think. Yeah, I think that's a cool angle. All I'm doing at the moment is just framing up my shot because I don't like cropping afterwards, so...
It smells so bad.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah, the
Lovely smells.
smells in New York. So all I'm doing is I'm just carefully framing up this shot. The light's not amazing here, but it's the angle I want to shoot with. So I've just put up with what I've got. That's cool. So I'm using focus peaking, I'm using manual lens. Cool. Oh, that's really pretty. And just in the test shot, I don't know how good of the
Filming this is going to be.
Recording this will be. Cool, that's really good. Cool. So now I've got it framed up, I can just worry about capturing my frame. Cool, beautiful. That's stunning. That's really nice. Now, that's better. Still got a fair bit of black I can see. Yeah, these need to be higher, I think. Yeah, that's better. And turn your hips that way, just that perfect. Cool. Adriana.
Hair tie.
Bec's favourite thing are hair ties. Those straps are much heavier than your other ones.
Yeah.
I can remove this one, but make sure the other side is covered. Bring your knees up a bit. Move that knee across more. If you bring that there, that's perfect. Just like that's perfect. Awesome. That's really good. Cool. That's really cool. Nice. That's really into me. Right? That's better. Really ignore the environment. Just come back in. That's cool. That's really pretty. Stunning. Use those eyes. That's nice. That's really nice. That lean in's nice too. Cool. Beautiful. That's cool. That's really pretty. That's a really nice pose. Like that. Take that arm where you had it. Cool. That's really cool. I don't like posing much, but we're trying to cover the straps, and Bec can't. That's really cool. That's really pretty. Stunning. That's really pretty. Cool. Stunning, stunning.
I want to put my hand out, but I don't want to touch the dirt.
No, that's fine. That's really cool. That's really pretty. I just need to cover your bottom of your bra. That's it. Cool.
I'm going to roll it up.
No, yeah, a little bit, and slightly tilt your whole body that way a bit more. Just like your bum is tilt. Yeah, perfect. There. And make sure that heads. That's better. That's much better. Cool. Beautiful. Cool. That's really nice. Cool. That's really pretty back. Cool. Just a bit of hair on the face. That's it. Perfect. Eyes. Bring those. That beautiful. Bit of cheekiness. Bring those. Stop looking around. No one's looking at you. See, they're ignoring you. Good. Beautiful. This type of thing's really hard because the pressure on the model to be the center of attention in Times Square can be a little bit daunting sometimes. Cool. That's really pretty. Couple more frames, just keep that drift. Bring your knees together. Yeah, cool there. Cool. Had enough? See? You going to finish it off?
Yes. Are you okay holding it like
yeah,
that?
I'm okay with this.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick little video that shows you how we do the tricks. Every time we do this, we always get scared that we're going to start a new craze of other people. But yeah, that's how we do it. Still fully clothed. I'm probably actually going to put this on. Sorry. I'm going to put this on because
I need clothes on.
Looking at me. But yeah, hope you enjoyed and catch you next time. You're going to do this thing again.
What thing again?
I'll
Hey, there's the naked cowboy over there. We should go over and see the naked cowboy. Is this really annoying when someone does this?
A little bit. I'm kind of used to it by now.
Cool bananas.
Do you reckon we got it or not?
Got no fucking idea. We'll find out when we get back home.